What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Technology, and I'm your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tuning in for another video. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I am on my race to 5K by my birthday, and I am getting there, man. I'm getting like 5-6 subscribers a day. I hope they're pressing that notification bell. But I appreciate the love and support. Make sure you go ahead and do that. Head over to IG. Follow me at Technology on Twitter, and on Snapchat, Technology23. Go ahead and do all those things. Comment below. I try to interact with you guys as much as I can. And also make sure you share these videos. So for today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. Now I have a shoe unboxing, and then I also have a clothing unboxing. I don't do too many open packages or anything like that, but this is from one of my dudes in Tampa. And you know, with the COVID-19, the pandemic, a lot of small businesses are being impacted. I'm trying to do my part by promoting as much as I can with the little subscribers that I do have. So anyway, I can promote, you know, small businesses that are trying to start themselves up, I'm gonna do that. So that's what this is for. So the name of this clothing line, I've had it for like maybe a week and a half, and I bought them specifically for the shoes that I'm gonna unbox. But the name of this clothing line is Ambitious Athletics. As you guys can see there, I didn't want to open it because I did want to open it with you guys so you can see the packaging that it comes in. So very nice packaging, all black like that. It's very simple with that. Established in 2016. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to put their IG down in the description section so you guys can see it. But this is from the Good Vibes collection. I think it's a new collection, a new line that they just dropped. So I ordered this one, and the reason why I like his clothing is because it's that form fitting. He works out and stuff like that. I don't work out, but it's like super comfortable and soft cotton, but also the mottos and the motivation that he puts behind what he's doing, man. You know, his quote is, "Don't forget to smile today." So go ahead and check him out, man. It's one of those things that we need something that we can get positive vibes with. And this shirt here, it says "Created for Greatness, Ambitious Athletics." So like I said, this is a very dope shirt. It's gonna go match exactly with the shoes that I purchased. You'll see those in a second. But great quality. It's got this stretch material, you know what I'm saying, soft. So this is gonna be a good summer shirt for me to rock. And then he also put in here from the Legendary. This one is from the Legendary line. So it says Legendary on the front, and then on the bottom right here it says "Chase Your Dreams." And then on the back of this shirt, it does say "Heroes come and go, legends are forever." You know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see there. So very excited about these shirts, man. I appreciate him throwing me the extra one, you know what I'm saying? And for this one here to match my kicks or whatever, make sure you guys go down in the description section, follow him on IG. Even if you don't purchase something right now, go ahead and support, follow him on IG. Any of your small businesses that you can support, they need it. They need the publicity, they need the repost, they need the shares. We can use social media for a great way to promote people and to help them get their dreams come true. So make sure you go follow Ambitious Clothing on IG. Very, very dope gear. Now for the unboxing. So this shoe right here, I got this past weekend, April 18th, something like that. But anyway, it was one of those shoes. Let's go ahead and talk about this. It was one of those shoes that everybody was like, "Oh man, don't want this shoe. It's a female colorway. It's a summer colorway. Oh, they dropping so many of them. Blah 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 blah." Then release day happened, and bruh, it was hard to get this shoe. Now the resale for them has dropped down quite a bit, but I just think that's because they're regurgitating them a lot. And if for those of you that follow the sneaker game a little bit, you know what I'm talking about. And to be honest with you, the COVID-19 and all that stuff hasn't altered these shoes from being released. And that's going to be none other than another $350. Another $350. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's put this out of the way. And by the way, I did sanitize and do all that good stuff. Got a little coupon. Finally, I got this from Foot Locker, you guys. Foot Locker. And finally, I got me some flex points. I finally got some flex points. Man, I've been trying to get flex points since they transferred over to this new flex program, and I ain't been able to do nothing. So I ain't been able to do no raffles or nothing like that. So hey, now maybe I can save them up for those flints, because that's probably the only Jordan that I want coming out of the gate is those flints. I don't want the Jordan 5s. I didn't get the DNP 6s. I didn't get the court purples. So I just haven't been buying me in J's. But these Yeezys here. So let's get up into it. So you see the boost box. So I got the boost box here. The 350 on the top. The Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas on the back end of that thing. And then on the front, man, we got right here, we got a size 12.5. Let me tell you guys a little backstory. Hold on. First off, they are size 12.5, linen, and linen. So these are the linen 350 V2, the Boost. The Yeezy 350 V2 linen. So, before I open them up, let me tell you guys backstory. So, I went on Foot Locker to get this shoe, right? Well, let me go ahead and take them out, because this is my first time seeing them in person. So man, this is the first time. Look at this, guys. They actually wrapped each shoe individually in the paper. Like, that's the first time I seen that. You know what I'm saying? Usually they just be throwing up in there. Okay. Okay. Let me ask my camera woman. Baby girl, what you think about these?
I love it.
Alright, so my daughter's my camera person today, so she loves them. I tried to tell you guys before these shoes drop. If you go back and look on my How to Cop, I said that these were gonna be some shoes that you want to go after, and nobody. People were saying no, they're not, no, they're not, and I just feel like it's one of those shoes that you had to have. So, backstory on these. So I got a size 12.5. I normally get a size 12. I've always wanted to get a size 12.5 in the Yeezys, but the half sizes for me are always super hard to get. So I wake up Saturday morning, I'm up there early, and I've already missed out on Hibbit. I don't know what's gonna happen on Adidas. I got all my friends, family, relatives, uncles, cousins, people that panhandle, whatever. I got people, everybody I know that I was on the Adidas app trying to get these shoes for me. I've done every raffle that I mentioned in my How to Cop videos, and struck out on everything. So I woke up early, I hit up Hibbits. No, didn't get that. I hit up Ruvilla, DTLR, didn't get those. I get on Foot Locker and it won't let me on, right? So I was like, man, forget this. I missed out on them, whatever. I'll see what happens on the Adidas. So then I go to Roscoe's page, right? He's doing his live feed like he always do. Shout out to my man Roscoe. And somebody in the comment section, somebody just told me truth. Scroll down in the comment section. Somebody said, I just hit on size 12.5 on Foot Locker. I guess sizes are still available. I click off his page, go to Foot Locker, click on size 12.5, add the cart, 5 minutes to check out. Boom, just like that. So shout out to whoever it was that put that in the comment section. Shout out to people that's doing the lives. I appreciate that, man. It takes time. So let's get up close with these things and see what we like about it. All right, so here we go. So as you can tell by the shoe, just looking straight up at it, looking at it close, we have the same prime knit material that's been on lately on the V2s. But as you can tell, we do not have a pull tab on this one, man. So missing the pull tab, and we have that same consistent stripe that stops right around here, man. I'm not sure why they've been doing that lately, but it's not a bad look. I know a lot of people don't like it just because they said it abruptly stops, but it doesn't bother me much. But this shoe is a little bit more yellow than what I thought. It's more yellow than it is tan. This stripe looks a little bit more, it looks blue, but then when the light hit it, it does have that reflective, that stripe. So I'll show you guys that here in a second. You have the semi-translucent bottom right there, tan, and then on the bottom you have the bottom of the shoe is more of a peach color, to be honest with you, man. I'm getting really spring summer vibe. You got the boost on the bottom also, as you can see there, peeking around through there. These shoes are really creamy, man. I know a lot of times we say that about leather being buttery and creamy. These things buttery, bro. So that's what the legitimate tag looks like. So make sure, if you guys want to pause the screen, if you want to authenticate a pair that you get off StockX or something like that, I'm gonna start doing that. That's the front of the tag. That's the back of the tag. You know what I'm saying? And then the sock liner, you have the blue sock liner across the top. It's like a baby blue. Real pastel colors, man. Then the inside. This is without the insole. I took the insole out so you guys can see it. So if you're looking right here, this is the insole. It's like that blue linen. It's that blue colorway. And then here's the bottom. You got your numbers right there on the side. So if you are trying to legit check your shoes, here you go, man. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the 3M looks like on it. There you go with that 3M reflective stripe, baby. Man, that thing, this shoe right here is nice, man. I really don't understand why people said that they didn't like it. You know, and you know, like I said, my motto, rock what you like, not what's hype. But this shoe is dope. All right, so that's it, you guys. That's all I got for you. I normally don't do an on feet, but today I figure I might do an on feet. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. So I'm gonna close out this video with an on feet. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do that. Check out my dude, Ambitious Clothing, down in the description section. Go over there, show him some love, follow him, follow me on IG, share this video, comment, do all those good things, man. It's your boy Truth. Rock what you like, not what's hype. What do you guys think about these V3 linens, man? Did you cop them? How was your experience trying to get them? Let me know down in the comment section if this is a shoe that you have to add to your collection. I appreciate you guys. Wash them hands, man. Let's get into this on feet. Let's go.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care. Introducing a fresh new brand, following the dreams. Faith, hard work, and dedication is the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's the knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man. It ain't trigonometry. You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack on the brew for OGs and the